Welcome back to this next module on email marketing automation, and this is going to start with building email list. Having an email list, a good email list, is the most important, most critical aspect of being successful with email marketing. If you think that buying a bulk data from somewhere and sending them bulk emails is email marketing, then that is one thing that email marketing is not. You have to have a community, an email list of users, of a list of people who have given you the permission to send you emails. They want to hear from you. They already know you and they want something from you. And when you send that or those set of people something relevant that they want to hear from you, they open your email and your email marketing works. But how do you build your list? So you can use a lot of strategies that could be paid, that could be organic. You can build opt-in forms, you can have landing pages, you can give away lead magnets. We'll be talking about what these list building strategies are and how you can use each one of them in more details when we jump into the technicalities of email marketing automation. But you need to understand for now is that you have to have a list building strategy. You need to know how and where to build this email list from. How are you going to get people give their email ID to you? When in this world of spam emails, people are very scared about giving their contact information, and you need to do something really important and different to get their email IDs. So you need to have a very specific list building strategy. Permission based marketing is something very similar, where you take the permission from them. Okay, give me your email ID and I will be sending you offers and marketing campaigns as and when needed. And you must have already been clicking on those checkboxes whenever you have done some shopping, bought a course, bought something online. You saw that there was an explicit permission being taken from you to receive emails on offers and campaigns. So that's permission based marketing. What now happens if you already have a list or you have started building a list? Very important is how you manage that list, how you segment that list, how you know what list is what. So there could be a list coming from a lead magnet. There could be another set of people coming from an opt-in form. So there could be yet another set of people who are coming from with some different objective in mind. So you need to know what set of people signed up for what, so that you can send them the right message. Remember, right message to the right person at the right time. So if your email list is not segmented, if it is not managed well, everything goes south, because then you cannot send the right message to the right person at the right time if they are not segmented and they are categorized appropriately. Now, this is the time for the assignment, which I know that you always wait for. I want you to take what you have learned and apply it. Develop a comprehensive list building strategy for your business, or a hypothetical one if you do not have one. Think about how you can combine organic and paid strategies, create compelling lead magnets. Google out what lead magnets are, and think or create compelling lead magnets, and ensure you are following permission-based marketing. That is really important. That is a crucial step towards mastering email marketing automation, and you have to do it. I cannot teach you everything until and unless you go back, Google out something, go on ChatGPT, search for whatever I said you just now, take the help of it to complete this assignment and submit it back to me. And this brings us to an end to this module, where we focused on building your email list strategically. And your email list is not just a number. It is a community of engaged individuals who are interested in what you offer. In the next module, we will explore the different email marketing platforms available and help you choose the right one for your business. Stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next session. Have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.